Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix iPhone touch laggy slow not working on iPhone iOS 70. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. Solution number 1, force restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen and release the power button. And wait 5 to 10 seconds. And problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check iOS update. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Many options. Scroll up. Tap on general. Tap on software update. If update is available, download and install the update. And problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is reset all setting. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen many options. Tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset all setting. Reset all setting. This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Reset all setting to confirm this action. And problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is factory reset iPhone. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on erase all content and settings, tap on continue. Raise iPhone. Are you sure you want to raise all media, content and settings? This cannot be undone. Tap on raise iPhone. Fix iPhone touch laggy slow not working on iPhone is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.